Hello friends. We're not in Spokane today. We are in Houston, Texas. And we got a new car. Check this bad boy out. A 20-something Subaru Legacy. This is our new rental car for the weekend.
You know, I'm honestly kind of excited just to drive like a normal car.
True.
I am.
Turo thinks kind of weird. You send in a photo and it automatically unlocks for you, apparently. Oh, it's unlocked.
Lock trunk, please.
Damn. Technology's kind of sus. We are here for TX2K. I'm glad we made it out. Bobby and I were both pretty sick a few days ago. We're feeling titties today, so we'll be all right. We were supposed to get in last night, but I got in trouble for taking a photo with my mask off, or they kicked us off the airplane. So it costed us $1,500 to take a damn photo to get this Turo. Can you believe that? That's some bullshit. Damn, this thing's actually kind of nice. Ooh, this shit is busting.
This is really nice.
Subaru is stepping it up.
Wow.
God damn. I'm hoping we can go straight to the racetrack, but I think Bobby wants to go to the house. Don't make me do a burnout.
Where to first?
You want to go to the track?
What?
Yeah, let's go to the track.
Hell no.
Bobby, we already missed one whole day.
I need a shower.
Bobby's got to shower and shave.
No, I need to shower. I literally have had the spray tan on for like 2 days because we got trapped in some stinky ass. Did you tell them about the place we just stayed? Used towels and freaking hair in the shower. I couldn't shower in that thing.
Bobby's picky.
Wait, before you, no.
Hello friends, welcome to TX2K, day number 1, day number uno. It's all W's around here. Hello, Bobby.
Oh, hello.
What's your favorite car here besides the 72 different Huracans?
I really like the Corvette that we saw.
There's a ZR1 Corvette C7 that she really likes. I haven't filmed shit all day because I don't know what's cool to film. It's just a bunch of Huracans, which are all cool, but then it gets boring after a while.
And
So,
also, it's been super windy.
It has been very windy. Bader's about to go make a few at least one pass here soon, which of course I want to film that because he's my boy. But other than that, I don't know what we're even doing today. There's a Huracan I might buy, which is pretty cool.
What?
Yeah, I'm buying a Huracan.
Hopefully we can eat soon.
Yeah. Okay, goodbye.
Winter whip. No, not that one.
Oh, that one. Quite a fast setup.
The winter whip's over yonder.
Give him a 2.
The one that you got last year.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck? Look at it. 6 miles an hour.
Our gang over here, Subaru gang. Now this right here is what we like to see, my friends. Good old Evo. There's like 4 Evos out here, which is insane. damn. I got a good feeling about this.
Me too.
She was rowdy for half a second. Hopefully it didn't catch on fire. Vader, did you throw a rod?
Oh yeah.
But the burnout.
I think it threw a few.
Joshua,
Ah,
how many times have you been on fire now?
I can count on one hand still, so that's a plus.
Hey, good dude. Stop. Hey, stop it. That was a rod.
Nice.
No
problem.
Vader,
Fucking pissed about my hood.
nice scar.
Have a good one.
That's sick.
Fuck my hood up.
Vader, you're gonna have to keep
yeah.
For the video.
Holy shit!
Joshua,
You have to keep that for life now.
Man, that's fucked up. Where'd the other end go?
How many rods did you lose?
I don't know.
I see your crank. That's cool. Oh, you fucked up your wiring harness.
Ah, son of a...
It's
Hold it.
okay. Raven Trap's here.
Here, hold this real quick. I gotta grab the EJ25 trunk.
How's the bearing load?
Oh, yes.
Dude, that's literally
Devin,
perfect.
yes.
Dude, it's pretty fucking...
Devin needs that 2.5 chunk for his motor.
Wow. Hey, at least it didn't go through the fuel line that was right there. Dude, this is the first. I never throw a rod on anything. I always thought I threw a rod and then I didn't.
That's how you know it's slow.
EJ2.
You literally... That is a trophy.
Dude, it's pretty covered in oil.
Vader, you fuck. Why do
Yeah, this is a little bit worse than the first day.
You know, I think I found the problem. It was a little spicy
You
on
had
the
a
lead.
little too much heat in the motor.
I don't want my drag car looking like this every run, okay?
No problem. I got you,
Every
boo.
10th pass you can make it look like this.
Good news, I got the log.
Yeah. Let's go check out the log. Alright, Vader, how much boost did you hit?
Oh yeah.
Let's take a glance. Watch it be like 20 pounds. How expensive was that? Like,
Well, it's a $20,000 lawn block, so there's
Nice.
that. We'll see what's good in it, which obviously I'm not going to reuse the crank. Obviously, we can't use a rod, and probably two.
What about the
I'm
case
sure.
halves?
Case halves, we might be able to JB weld them.
looks like a lot of data that I don't know.
That's a lot of data here. It was 51 pounds right there.
What? That's it?
Ooh, a bit spicy in the timing department. Kind of hard. It's real short data here.
Yeah. 10 feet.
We saw 71 miles an hour.
71, nice.
71, and we saw 9,800 RPMs. Most I saw boost wise was like
What RPM did it disconnect at?
52. Big oof.
Yeah, you want to send that to like everybody?
That is insane.
You know, they always said a picture was worth 1,000 words. They didn't say it was worth $20,000.
Well, boys, that's a wrap for day one at TX2K. Quite eventful. Look at this shit, my friends. This car drives itself. See this corner? Watch this corner.
You can't really see it. It's so trippy.
Okay, now we must get over. Welcome to day 2 of TX2K. Bobby, that Impreza, put a 1,000 wheel setup in. You get it?
Do I get it?
Do you like it? Bobby, that's like my car.
No.
It's a turbo.
Why does it look like that?
It's just a cone. This is literally my car that we're gonna build. A Hawkeye drag car.
Okay.
You like it?